name is Richard. Unfortunately, I'm gonna read the title. I was walking. What did you see? I saw a black cat looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a brown horse looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a red cow looking at me. Why is a cow? Mommy?
It's part of the book.
Oh. Why it's red?
That's what they want you to put it. The author. Go ahead.
I'm not done this?
You're done.
I'm done this.
Oh, yes.
I saw a red cow looking at me. Did you spell me? And E.
Good job.
Me. I was walking. What did you see? It's a green duck. I saw a green duck looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a pink pig. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a yellow dog looking at me. I went walking. I saw. What did you see?
Just slowly.
I saw a lot of animals following me.
Good job.
Mama,
The end. Did you like the book?
Do you like the book?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay.